Missouri State Senate is considering a bill that will remove the statute of limitations for survivors of sex assault.
Yeah, it would allow them to pursue justice in a civil court beyond a decade after the abuse. The state senator sponsoring the bill represents the same district where dozens of alleged assaults happened over decades.
We are seeking to eliminate the statute of limitations, but we're taking away that time clock that says now if you're over the age of 31, there's nothing you can do civil court wise.
Missouri State Senator Brad Hudson introduced Senate Bill 1140 to eliminate the statute of limitations for sex abuse survivors. Currently, civil action isn't allowed in the state past the age of 31. It's paired with Joint Resolution 93 that would allow retroactive lawsuits related to childhood sexual abuse, so the alleged crimes committed before this year, should the bill pass, can still be brought to court.
They know that Missouri, because of the way our system of laws is right now, is a sanctuary state for pedophiles. We have to make this change.
Hudson represents the 33rd District of Missouri, including Branson, home of Kanakuk Camp, where alleged abuse has spanned over decades.
Trey died at the age of 28 after enduring child sexual abuse by a director at Kanakuk Camps.
Elizabeth Phillips has been an advocate for survivors of sex abuse after her younger brother Trey died by suicide in 2019. The camp had him sign a non-disclosure agreement. She helped lawmakers craft and pass Trey's Law in Missouri last year, making NDAs unenforceable in civil settlements.
Victims should never be silenced when they've endured the unimaginable, because child sexual abuse itself is so shaming and it already silences victims, which is why we see delayed disclosure.
Studies have shown that survivors of sexual abuse rarely process the assaults until much later in life, some as late as 60 to 70 years old.
Now, this does not change the fact that these cases have to be adjudicated, right? There's going to have to be a day in court.
32 other states have already changed the laws to eliminate the statute of limitations and enforce it retroactively. Missouri's statute of limitations has been in place since 1939. Why many are calling it antiquated.
The global statistic is 1 in 5 girls and 1 in 7 boys will be abused as children. And if that's not a public health crisis, if that's not an epidemic, if that's not something every responsible adult should care about, then I don't know what is.
If the resolution passes, it will be presented to voters to approve a change in the state constitution. Opponents of the legislation include insurance and tort reform lobbyists who want to limit damages that plaintiffs can recover.